Hi, the image generating AI have developed a lot from their initial versions. Now it is possible to generate highly artistic photos of just anything. What is the best free AI art generator? There are a ton of AI image generators, and currently most AIs are free to use, at least for personal use. The top three AIs are Midjourney, DALI 2 by OpenAI, and Stable Diffusion, which is open source. Can I sell AI generated art? This is the most common question asked. All three AIs claim commercial use as stated on their website, but it depends on the subscription plan you use. The Midjourney terms of service clearly states you own all the assets which you create, only exceptions are for non paid and corporate users. Similarly, Playground AI, which uses stable diffusion, also states you own all the assets you create with the services. And then there is OpenAI's DALI 2, which also states you own all the images regardless whether generated through free or paid credit. But before getting all excited about selling, hear me out. This field is very new in terms of copyright and ownership, and the laws and regulations have not yet caught up. So there's a risk in using it for commercial purposes. Let's understand how AI art is generated. Though it's highly technical, if I have to sum it in simple words, AI is trained on a ton of images which it had access to, and it had formed a data set. Now, when a user gives a command to it, the AI makes images from this dataset, and due to a slight degree of randomness in the process, every time a slight variation of the image is formed, and the same image is never formed even with the same prompt. But since the dataset of AI is collected from images taken from real humans, the issue of copyright persists. Do stock image platforms allow AI art? Well, it depends on the platform. For instance, Shutterstock doesn't allow AI art for now. Even Getty Images doesn't allow it. Only Adobe Stock Images has openly embraced AI images for selling purposes. Using AI generators has become very simple. Just go to this DALI 2 section in the openai.com, do the sign up process and log in, after which you will find an input field like this. Just put anything you wish to generate, and I'm going to put something random. A house in the middle of the valley with sun behind, something like that, and maybe some children sitting and playing there. Okay, I will press the generate button. So it takes a bit of time. Oh, that's some very realistic results. Let's click on this one, and yeah, the house is very good, and the mountain sunlight and nature is very good, but the children don't seem real at all. Oh, and here people are on the house. Oh, oh, okay, that one was good. Okay, let's now we can make variations of the image, and yeah, the variations seem very good, and oh, this image seems quite realistic. Actually, we can use a small piece is there, we can maybe photoshop it. And what is this branch? Okay, maybe we can erase that, we can erase this branch. So we are editing a photo right now. Oh, a person is standing on the mountain, or maybe he's in air, I don't know. Okay, let's go to Playground AI, which works on stable diffusion. Just click get started and do the login process. You can continue with Google, and just click create, enter your prompt. I will just copy paste that previous prompt and generate. You can click the image dimensions. Oh, this is slightly grieving. Okay, I will just remove the children and just keep the house. Okay, so only the house and the mountains has come. The sun, I can't see the sun. Maybe I can adjust the prompt guidance. What is this? Oh, it is maybe a top view. Okay, so I'm getting some results. You can keep playing with it and you can get many different types of results. And you can even change the model to diffusion, stable diffusion 2.1 or 1.5. Now let's go to Midjourney. Just click on sign in, and then you need a Discord account because Midjourney works on Discord. Then you just click authorize, and then you have to click join the beta, accept the invite, and you will be in its Discord server, and you will be presented with welcome screen. Just go on the newbies section and type slash imagine and click the prompt. Now you can type your prompt. I will just copy paste this. You can see everybody's images are coming in this room because this is the free version, and all these people are actually non-paid users, and their images we can see, and we can actually use their images to create variations. So here is our image and it's beautiful. It is not realistic, but it is a beautiful painting. It is like straight from a children's storybook. Awesome, awesome. We can create an enhanced version of this where it upscales the resolution. I have selected the fourth painting by clicking the U4, and here it is, the upscaled version. Okay, I'm not getting the upscaled version right now, but you get the idea how you can do it. So, what are the use cases of AI art and what is the future it holds? Wherever an image is used, AI art can be helpful. In the coming days, I think we will see AI spreading into web design, 3D designing, product design. Photo editing has already been taken by DALI 2, and many traditional softwares like Photoshop may get obsolete. Of course, we are a long time from that happening, or maybe not. Type your views about this in the comments. If you found value, please subscribe to the channel and like the video.